Today, I would like to share with you how to make some Kopi money. All right, drink more coffee during this volatile period. Kopi money time. So, how to make some money, in a very short time during this volatile period. Okay, the strategy I used was buy put on QQQ, and the opportunity was when Jerome Powell talked on the oncoming Fed interest rates. Okay, so Jerome actually will talk on the Fed decision on interest rate probably around 8 times in a year or more during this pandemic period. So I executed my QQQ with an option strategy buy put hours before Jerome Powell talked on the incoming Fed interest rate. And I collected $315 in a matter of 4 hours. So the transaction here shows the transaction on the time that I actually buy put on 16th of June, right here, on 16th of June around 10 o'clock. And by 12:45 in the morning on the 17th of June, I actually have closed one of the buy put. And later on, at about 2 a.m., I close another buy put. Okay, so altogether, it is $315 in just 4 hours. Next is a buy, put, and sell call option strategy. So similarly, I did a buy put on AMD, and I have a profit of $115 in just 4 days. So as you can see, it's also on the 18th of June that I executed the 2 buy call on AMD, and I actually exceeded the position on 22nd of June, which is a matter of 4 days, and taking a profit of 115. I also did a sell call and SKLZ with a profit of 151 days in a matter of 10 days. So as you can see here, right, I executed the first sell call. Here on 11th of June. Okay, on 8th of June, and by 11th of June, just 3 days. Okay, I have made $50, and this transaction actually expired worthless within 3 days on its own, as you can see on the black color row here, right? The expiry on the 11th of June here, this column, this row, all right, removal option due to expiry, and I collected $50. Now the next one will be the 8th of June for another sell call. This one, the expiry is on 18th of June, right? 7 days later, right? 7 days later from 11th of June, and I exceeded it. It was made worthless by its own. That's why you see removal option due to expiration date here, this black row on the 18th of June. So altogether is $151 in 10 days. Now for sell call, on NEO, this is very interesting because I only have a profit of $12 in a matter of 11 days, right? Why only $12? Because I do not want to sell away my shares, right? My 100 shares of NEO, because it's very, very near to my $46 strike price. So there you are, a total of $593 in a matter of 2 weeks, right? So this is good Kopi money. So exactly when can you make money with your sell call and buy put, and when do you execute these 2 option strategy? Well, for sell call, you first must have 100 shares. All right, you must have 100 shares of the ticker symbol. For example, you have 100 shares of AMD, and then you do a sell call above the price of the stock at the current moment. So this is also called a covered call. So that's where you do a sell call. Now, this strategy of a covered call is the safest of all, because let's say your shares of AMD is at probably, let's say for example, $100, and you do a sell call $110. All right, when $110 is reached, right, you will actually be selling your shares at $110. So if your cost is $100, then you're making $10 plus you actually get the premium of the sell call. All right, so you get both profits. So covered call is the safest for sell call. Now, if you do not have a shares, you do not what 100 shares. All right, some of the people would use a buy long call, and after executing a buy long call, you then do a sell call. All right, so this is also called a diagonal call, or in some of the courses, it is called also an X plus. All right, so now this is only for experienced investors. All right, for very experienced investor, and your buy call has to be long. Long means not 180 days, but at least 270 days and beyond. Okay, to be safe. Now you can also have two long buy call. And once you have two buy long call, and once you have that, then you can execute one sell call, and that is a safer bet. So that is how you can execute your sell call and make some Kopi money. Now, what about buy put? Now, when you see everyone is FOMO and everyone is buying into the market, and the indices, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the SPY is all at its all-time high, that is the time that you look for opportunities. Like what I did, right? When the QQQ was at all-time high, when Jerome Powell was going to talk about the Fed decision on interest rate, I actually took the opportunity to buy put. All right, but the buy put, you need to buy put and monitor the stock because it's very fast. Okay, when you buy put, the market will drop, and then another moment it will go up again. So you have to actually catch the moment and get a buy put. So buy put is also used to hedge your portfolio, not only on the QQQ, like what I've done for buy put. You can actually hedge it. For example, you buy put on your Alibaba, you buy put on your NIO, or you buy put on your AMD or Intel. Okay, so that can be done as well. So the question is that when do you sell call and you buy put? Because both are basing on the downtrend strategy, right? When you see this, the trend is going down, you buy put. Sell call is when you see the market is peak, right? And you expect the stocks to come down in price, to pull back, then you do a sell call, all right? So then what is the advantage and disadvantage? You can see the sell call because of the sell strategy, you actually get money first, you get credit. Whereas buy put, actually you put money up front to buy the strategy, the buy put strategy. So it all depends, all right? When you have stocks, you have 100 stocks, it is actually better to buy a sell call or a covered call. But if you don't have any stocks, all right, and you expect the markets to go down on the downtrend, then you buy put, but you have to put some money and expect the money to be gone, all right? So you will fork out $100 on a buy put, right? Then you expect the $100 to be gone, all right, and it's expiring. So it's actually a personal preference. For me, I do both strategies depending on situation. So for you, you can invest in less than $30 for 1 month access to the value investing in option strategy course. Okay, so this is a very comprehensive course with step-by-step instructions whereby each and every of the option strategy, right, is coupled with a live trade and a case study. So for example, the buy put and the sell call that I have posted earlier, it will come to the detailed instruction and step-by-step to guide you all along. So they will guide you through. Now, so with the course, you have the full knowledge of value investing fundamentals and option strategies. Next, and more important, right, with the subscription, it will come with a IWH mentorship and support group. So once you enroll in the course, you'll be given a link where you'll be connected to like-minded investors who are graduates in this value investing and option strategy course. And if you have any questions, if you do any trade that you need advice, If you are not confident to put up a trade or any questions you need to ask, okay, you can come to the mentor and support group and ask the question. So mainly it will be me and some of the graduates that will help you answer your questions. Now, this is of extreme importance because as investors, even though you have started investing, there are a lot of questions for option strategies that is in your mind that you need to clear off in order to be successful in your continuous passive income. So there are two options here. Either it's a 29.99 for 1 month access or a 197, which is a 45% discount for 1 year full access. And the IWH mentorship and support will come along with the subscription. So I hope you will come on board, and I really hope to see you very, very soon. So this is Charlie Wong signing off from Investing for Wealth and Happiness. See you soon. Bye.